Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on Admirals. And first of all, if you want to stop loss, you want to do risk management, because if you want to add a stop loss to your trade, you want to be sure that you won't lose too much money. So that is what a stop loss does. So if you go right here to trade on demo, I want to select my demo account right here. We go, for example, to the Bitcoin to US dollar chart right here. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we will buy 1K of Bitcoin with a great stop loss. So let's give this one a look. So let's say we want to buy 1K Bitcoin. There we go. Then what we're going to do after that is we go to the stop loss right here and we enable the stop loss. Then we can fill in right here the price where we want to stop our losses. So let's say when the price drops down to 60K, he will close our trade automatically. Even when I'm not online or not on the charts, he will directly close our position. And that is exactly what we want. So now I click here on buy and then we do confirm. There we go. You have opened a buy position for 0.03 lots. Done. And if I go to my portfolio, you will find right here my position with a stop loss at 60K. So that is awesome. So this is how you can stop loss on Admirals. If you have questions about something else, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.